The things I enjoy doing for fun are taking my children out to do things they enjoy, like go to the arcade or to the park, and spending time with my family. Hi, my name is Matthew Merrick. My role at the company is project manager. My day-to-day responsibilities are to ensure that we're working on schedule, we're here on time, ensuring we have the proper material, the work's being done properly, and to ensure that I'm keeping the customer satisfied. Some major problems I help customers with are to ensure their knowledge on our product and to answer any questions they may have concerning their house. Dalinghaus Construction has provided me with an environment that has made me very passionate about my career path. The most fulfilling part of my field of work is being with the people I work with. The most important thing a customer can experience with me is the relationship we build over the course of a project and understanding each other and the accomplishment of the project. I have a 2-year-old son, and my partner has a 2-year-old daughter, and we are a mixed family. Fun fact about me is you can talk to me about anything and I'll listen.